Good morning.
Morning.
What is it, Nicholas?
Easter eggs everywhere. I found an orange one.
Happy Easter. And look at this lovely fire that Jenny got for us earlier.
Is there two in the canoe? Okay, I'll switch you for a blue one for that orange one. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got a blue one. Now do me. Yeah. Nice. Shoot. Yeah.
I think the Easter Bunny might have liked your kids' fire.
Oh, Nicholas, go look.
I don't know.
Oh, there's two things here.
Morning, Ethan.
The orange.
Easter Sunday brekkie. And then followed by a motorbike session. Look, you're down at the river. Did you go across? Yeah, mate. Crossing?
Oh, it's still deep.
You'll get through. I talked him into it and I said if he went I'd go, but I've got to look after the kids. The kids are saying no, no please. Come down and wait next to me here. Just use your feet and your brakes.
I'm not doing that.
Did you see Adam?
I could hear it.
He was crazy. All right, come down and watch him. He's mad. All right, ready, watching him? Go! That's awesome! Woo!
Man, that's got to suck.
Oh, what about how it takes you? Bike all good? Oh, the boots. Mine got wet too and I didn't even drive it.
Oh, it's so heavy you can't even lift it.
Go! Yes! Yes! Nice! Yeah! Whoa! Adam's getting ready to leave. He's going to put his bike on the tray and then we'll be showing you the footage of him doing the 2 crossings before he hits the pretty steep hill climb up to the high road. Bellied out. You lifting it? Yep.
Sweet.
Need a car trailer to get the bike onto the trail. We're seeing Adam out. So this is the first crossing from camp. We're going to do the 2 crossings and then the big hill climb to the high road. I'll get Shell to drive this while she's cooling down an Easter egg. It's quite warm here today. What are we looking at? 28 degrees. There's rain coming. We're seeing Adam out. So this is the first crossing from camp. We're going to do the 2 crossings and then the big hill climb to the high road. I'll get Shell to drive this while she's cooling down an Easter egg. It's quite warm here today. What are we looking at? 28 degrees. There's rain coming. I'll walk this and film. Wow, well driven. Nice and crawling. It's pushing ya. Right hand down. That's it. It looked like it was pushing her. But you know what? It's the flow from this side. So I'll get on this side of Adam's. It might be better footage. He's not mucking around. Oh, that was soft. Just miss that log and head for the cut in the tree. Okay, now start. More right hand. You're gonna get that log otherwise. Okay, left now. Right, 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 right. You gotta get the trailer past the tree. Right. Right hand down. Back it up. Okay, go to head for the tree. Head for the tree. Stay to the tree, stay to the tree. Tree, tree, tree. No, come back. Come back. You got to take the angle a bit more. Back. Back. Okay, head up the bush, head to the tree. Do you want me to cut it? You just got to go, yeah, because you're going to take that tyre out. Should have cut more. You're good. Yeah, follow it. Okay. Your truck can go over that tree. It's just your trailer. I don't want your trailer hitting it. Climbing, 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 go. Stop, stop, stop. Okay, go. Right hand. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Slow.
Look how steep it is, and there's the river way down there. Let's climb up here. Wait for me to get to the top.
That was instant karma.
Oh, it's just a little bit soft there, hey? Oh, there's a little bit of a log, see? Oh yeah, I can see it, the log's there. Can you go back a little bit? Go back a little bit. Over, yep. Get go. A little bit more. Yeah, turn your wheels that way. Yep. Go a little bit more. Stop. Perfect. 1 second, I'm just going to move it.
Great weekend, mate.
Thank you. No Toyota to pull the Nissan out.
Nah, see you,
See ya.